Rolling?
Rolling है.
So you wanna start?
Hi guys, this is sort of behind the scenes or making of our movie.
The name of the movie is not yet decided, but as of now, we are calling it Project First Cut. And the aim of this is to understand the process of filmmaking.
And to know our mistakes.
Exactly, which have been a lot over the time. So
I am the director and writer of this project, and
I'm the assistant director.
she is the editor, and we are the current executive of this small production house. And let's see what happens. I am excited about this project. बड़ा मजा आने वाला है. हम काफ़ी नई चीज़ ट्राई करेंगे, फंड भी निकाल रहे हैं. So I hope everything goes well, and we will make sure कि हम लोग सब साथ मिलके एक साथ काम करेंगे. And believe me, इस टीम में पोटेंशियल भी है कि हम एक अच्छा और एक सबसे बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट निकाल सकें.
सर जो भी बोला है डिसरिगार्ड है. हम ये प्रोजेक्ट बस जल्दी से जल्दी खत्म करें ताकि हमारे पास कुछ दिखाने के लिए हो.
देखते हैं क्या होता है. आई एम पॉजिटिव कि इस बार कुछ अच्छा निकल जाएगा.
हाय, are we late?
आयशा,
Fuck.
I don't have a problem with Ranveer. He's just too much sometime.
क्या बोला उसने मेरे बारे में?
हेलो एवरीवन, व्हाट्स अप? आओ. हम बस स्टार्ट करने वाले थे. यस ब्रदर.
रणवीर, प्रणय शिखर को कॉल किया?
हाँ, मैं शिखर को करता हूँ, तू प्रणय को कर ले.
ठीक है. मैं समाया को बोलता हूँ.
हेलो, प्रणय तू आ रहा है?
टेंशन मत ले.
मतलब क्या हुआ? Pranay, you are not making any sense. Are you coming or not? Hello. Hello, Pranay. Hello. He's not coming.
नहीं, शिखर नहीं आ रहा.
तो चलो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. So the theme is inner self. And the time limit is between 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? So tell me guys, what do we have?
बोलो guys, what do we have? Come on.
तो मैं क्या कह रहा था कि इस बार हम एक डार्क मूवी बनाते हैं जिसमें हम लोग जो हमारे कैरेक्टर्स होंगे उनके इमोशंस को मेन फोकस में.
Nice. Anyone else?
Yeah, Robin. You have something?
Yeah, please go on.
Yeah, so I was thinking हम split personality के बारे में कुछ बना सकते हैं. Like you know, कुछ ऐसा जहाँ कैरेक्टर लड़ रहा हो अपने आप से पूरी मूवी में. Eventually he realizes कि इस लड़ाई में ना वो सिर्फ हार सकता है.
Wow. And
That's all.
क्या यहाँ पे किसी के पास कुछ है? By the way, it's a good thing, huh? Good thing. Let's just get all the bad ideas out now, huh? So we can get some quality stuff, huh? Okay, guys? Yeah, Shilpi, please go on.
No, nothing.
Sure?
The last movie we made was about Jack and कैसे वो अपनी बिल्ली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करता है. How that cat helps him find true love. But we couldn't find a cat and nor could we find a guy who looked like a Jack. So we made जगदीश की बिल्ली की आत्मा, which is about a guy finding love guided by his dead cat. Little tweaks.
Okay. So अभी तक we have decided that it has to be something raw and dark. Now we just need a story.
Yeah, so what I was thinking is that we make a movie about a man who tries to murder his own family. And
that's a nice idea, Devo. That's nice. I feel थोड़े से और elements डाल के we can make it better. Right?
मतलब ठीक है अभी के लिए, बाकी कल let's meet and finalize the story. क्या हो गया?
Sure.
ठीक है?
Yeah. रणवीर.
हाँ, हम बहुत कोशिश करते हैं एक अच्छी मूवी बनाने की. Like the last time we shot, it was an experimental type of movie. जहाँ हमने 2 रैंडम लड़कियों को शूट किया था और उनको डॉक्यूमेंट किया था. It was Anubhav's idea. And he was pretty sure कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. शूट खत्म हुआ and we went to ask permission from these girls. Anubhav was in the lockup for 6 days. बेचारा.
तो ये मेरा आखिरी दिन था और वैसे भी मुझे फ़र्क पड़ता नहीं है बिकॉज आई एम लिविंग.
My nani passed away yesterday. It's not like we were very close, but she was the only person I knew till I was 6. बीमार वाली feeling भी आ रही है, but I don't fall sick that often, except this one time when I was in the hospital for almost 2 years, and तब भी नानी थी साथ में. But anyhow, it's my birthday tomorrow. I am excited to meet everyone, get some work done and distract myself. So where's everyone? Did you call Samaya? Hi, Samaya, we are outside the building. Are you guys running late?
No, actually our meeting got cancelled. I have to need to call everyone. Okay, sorry, I gotta go, okay? Bye.
यार आज लोग कम है ना?
हाँ, तरुण नहीं आएगा. He has some personal emergency.
और शिल्पी, शिखर और प्रणय?
मैं प्रणय को कर लेती हूँ.
मैं शिल्पी और शिखर को कर लेता हूँ.
ठीक है.
हेलो प्रणय. ओके, कब तक आ रहे हो तू फिर? What does that even mean, Pranay? Pranay, you are not making any sense. Are you coming or not? Hello? Pranay, don't you cut the...
हाँ यार, शिखर की वही प्रॉब्लम चल रही है और शिल्पी ना मुझे सीरियस नहीं लगती बिल्कुल. ठीक है, फिर हम शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है?
ओके गाइस, तो बताओ क्या सोचा फिर सबने?
मैं क्या सोच रहा था, एक लड़का दिखाते हैं जो एक लड़की से मिलता है एंड शी लेट्स हिम अंडरस्टैंड हिमसेल्फ बेटर.
दैट्स जस्ट स्टूपिड.
सैम, तेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है डूड?
इट्स नॉट जस्ट रणवीर. आई फील एवरीवन आई वर्क विद इज स्टूपिड. ऑफ कोर्स some are less stupid than others. What was the question? About love stories. I don't know, man. They're just kind of stupid.
So, I was thinking about a man who is killing his family.
Wait, this is what I
Dude,
just said.
तुम ना सारा thought process तोड़ देते हो.
Sorry.
Okay. But एक्चुअल में वो इमेजिन कर रहा होता है.
This is exactly what he was saying.
तू फालतू पंगे क्यों लेती है यार?
Guys,
This is exactly.
let's just calm down, okay? अनुभव, तू बोल.
Okay. So, वो imagine वाला part, we will show कि he is actually seeing a TV show and imagining it. And ये हमारे में एक element होगा. And of course, he is a middle-aged man. Fuck! Guys, we got it! We got it, guys! Come on, guys! Come on, man! Woo! Nice.
I think we got something. And अब हम इसको अच्छे से करेंगे. And we will make sure that this is executed well. बाकी अभी we'll go home and develop the things and all. You know, this script writing process is very crucial to filmmaking. The art of visualizing, writing scripts is that we need to learn from the greats. If you watch the world cinema, then you will get to know that.
यार मुझे ना एक दिन सपना आया कि एक औरत है जो बच्चे खाती है और उसने इतने बच्चे खाए ना कि उसके पेट में खून जम गया और फिर पता नहीं कहाँ से वो श्री राम आ गए। उन्हें बोला गया अगर लंका में एंट्री लेनी है तो पहले उस औरत को मारना पड़ेगा और वो औरत ने इतने बच्चे खाए कि केरिया के बच्चे ही ख़त्म हो गए। अरे यार, अबे तू कहाँ शूट कर रहा है? इधर सुनना, ये सब कहते हैं मैं भी बच्चों की तरह दिखता हूँ, मुझे खतरा तो नहीं है? ओए भाई रुक मैं बताता हूँ क्या हुआ। आजा चल। तो अभी हम यही डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि कैसे स्टोरी आगे प्रोग्रेस करेगी, बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली इट्स अ वाइस बर्थडे, कम ऑन, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मी, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
So guys, story कहाँ तक पहुँची? देवो? Recap it.
Yeah. The story will start with a guy who is sitting on a bench. And
No. A man sitting on a bench.
Wait. How will we get a man?
तेरे डैड कर लेंगे यार.
No, I don't think so.
कर लेंगे यार, relax. Debo, you continue.
Yeah. So the story will start with a man who is sitting on a bench and looking at a girl eating chips. And then
I think it should be a role or something else. Chips is too uncinematic for a murder movie.
I agree. It can be something like.
How about sandwiches?
Nice.
Yeah, okay. So man is sitting on a bench and watching a girl eat a sandwich. He then gets up and walks towards her.
Slowly.
He then slowly gets up and walks towards her. The camera tilts down. He picks up a rod and smashes the girl's face, killing her.
Blood everywhere. And as she falls, her eyes lay hopeless.
What? This sounds amazing. Please continue.
Okay, so he murders her. But his inner self wants more. The camera zooms into his eyes and then into his face and then zooms out to the next target, a woman.
Wearing a red dress.
Yeah, nice.
The woman wearing a red dress.
Good. Silent कर यार, पूरी होने दे स्टोरी एक बार. Robin, you take over.
यार पर वो बोल तो रही है.
Just be a part of the team ना.
Okay. So the man stands up and walks towards the woman.
Slowly.
Yeah. Right. Slowly. He walks towards the woman and then swings the rod in slow motion, killing her, laughing, grinning.
Wait. We never decided to show him happy about the killings, yaar.
I just feel it adds to the character and reality.
But yaar, I don't.
I agree. It does. Robin, you continue.
Yeah. So he murders her. And then the camera goes wide. And suddenly it glitches. And we zoom out from a TV where we see a man sitting with his wife and daughter watching the TV and imagining killing his family. And then the new subject gets up.
Slowly.
नहीं, ये थोड़ा cinematic होगा. Let me complete this. So, the man gets up, goes to the kitchen, gets a rod, comes back, and his family turns to him
they had an eye contact. Then he swings the rod and boom! Cut! This is cinematic, guys. This is cinematic. This is what I'm talking about. Okay? This is it.
Yes, we got it.
Yes. Let's party now, guys.
Wait. Guys, we still have to finalize the location, props and all.
Yeah, he's actually right. So let's just meet one more time to finalize everything. Okay?
Yes, one more time. Let's party now. Cha cha cha.
मैं जाना चाहता हूँ। मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ। कह नहीं सकता। I don't know. Why aren't you enjoying the party? At least someone should.
Did you get that? Ranveer is a jerk. But at least he left his alcohol.
क्या चूती हो यार मैं। विद्युत भाई, अब पोएट बन सकता हूँ मैं। हार्ट ब्रोकन हो गया।
Devo, did you call him?
I tried, he didn't pick up.
I don't want to talk about it.
There you go.
प्रणय, शिखर, शिल्पी किसी को कॉल करना है?
Yeah, शिल्पी से हुई थी मेरी बात, but उसकी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, I think आंटी और something उसको। तो प्रणय को कर ले।
I don't have Pranay's number यार।
I call him, you call Shikhar.
ठीक है।
Sure, no problem.
हेलो, हाँ प्रणय, किधर है? आएगा क्या? हाँ भाई, अनुभव बोल रहा हूँ। मतलब? अरे भाई बोल क्या रहा है? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आएगा? काट दिया।
शिखर भी नहीं आएगा यार। देबो, what are you doing?
Eating a banana?
Bro, that's not how you eat a banana, huh?
What do you mean? I like to eat my banana like this.
Guys, can we not waste time on bananas right now?
Yeah, I think we should complete this.
No. Wait. You can't eat a banana like this.
I can, and I am eating a banana like this. And what's wrong with it? It's just a preference.
Come on, seriously?
What is wrong with it? What do you mean? Everything is wrong with it.
You are just making a big deal out of it. Please just let me have my banana the way I want to have it.
Dude, there are certain things which should be done in a specific order and in a specific way. For example, roads are built before the buildings are served. You open the cap of the bottle to drink water. You don't cut the bottle to drink the water, right? There are things where individuals can have their opinions and choices. For example, you may want to have cheese on your sandwich, or you may dislike that. You may want to have garlic bread or milk bread, but you have to have the cheese in between the sandwich and not any other way around. You can't just throw away the things that make humans humans. Leave humans. Even monkeys peel their bananas and use their peel as a handle for eating the bananas. Are you even stupid than the monkeys, are you? I guess I have strong opinions about bananas.
Well, I think the idea is the core here. And whoever has thought of the idea should be given the main credit.
I just want this to turn well. मैं रोज बोल के आती हूँ अपने पेरेंट्स को कि मैं शूट पे जा रही हूँ, but I haven't been able to show it to them yet.
लग तो रहा है अच्छी बनेगी, बस जैसा हम लोगों ने प्लान किया है एग्जीक्यूशन भी वैसा ही हो जाए तो I think we'll be fine.
And this movie we will send it to the film festivals. इसके लिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ छोटा ऑडियो बुक करेंगे जिसमें इसकी ओपनिंग रखेंगे एंड उसके बाद देखते.
अच्छा अनुभव, मैं चलता हूँ. बाय.
मुझे लगता है ये सब चलेगा यहाँ पे. चल आ रही है.
We couldn't get a theater as I was planning, but एक छोटी सी जगह मिली है. थोड़ा छोटा ऑडियो है, बट चलेगा क्योंकि टीम एंड उनकी फैमिली आनी है एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड. ठीक है, और हाँ टाइम पे अंदर आ जल्दी. ठीक है, जल्दी आ. What's up, man?
What? हाँ ठीक है, मैं शूट पे नहीं आ पाया. मुझे कहीं जाना था. वो कज़न बुआ की शादी थी नोत्र धाम में. Actually it's नोत्र धाम. Beautiful place. You should go once. Well, everyone should go once. And what about Aish? Come on. You know, it's just a phase. We do stupid stuff like that when we are in a phase. I hope she just gets out of it soon.
So, hello everyone. Today I am a little bit upset क्योंकि मौसम खराब होने की वजह से लोग नहीं आ पाए हैं. But I am excited too क्योंकि आज मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल दिन है. और ना ही सिर्फ मेरे लिए, हम सब के लिए बहुत स्पेशल दिन है. We had made this movie with everything we had. I have not seen it yet. Only Robin has seen it, but अभी वो हमारे बीच नहीं है.
What?
मतलब यहाँ नहीं है. He has some personal emergencies.
Okay.
So let's see, guys, and remember, we can say whatever about ourselves, that how great we are, how amazing we are, but in the end, हमारा काम ही हमारी पहचान है. हाँ, राइट? सो शुरू करते हैं. ऑडियंस तो है नहीं और हम तो हैं. रणवीर, इसको नीचे कर देते हैं. स्टार्ट करते हैं.
मुझे तो बहुत बढ़िया लगी।
I told my parents I went for a shoot.
The idea is nothing if not executed well.
I could have played the role.
तूने तो छोड़ दी थी।
भाई मुझे नहीं लगता मैं अब कर पाऊंगा ये सब।
अरे यार, इट्स जस्ट अ सेटबैक। इसमें से भी काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला है हमें, और अगला जो भी हम प्रोजेक्ट उठाएंगे वो अच्छा निकलेगा। बस थोड़ा रिलैक्स कर, ठीक है?
ओए, दिख गया है, आजा।
चल चलते हैं, सबके खाने का भी देखना है। एक मिनट, इसका भी तो कुछ कर सकते हैं। फक, दिस इज अमेजिंग यार, दिखा।
Honestly, my experience with them hasn't been really good. But I hope they'll be happy to see me today because I got into my dream film school. So let's go for the final screening.